Good evening. I'm Shavit. Today I will giving a video demo about my project, which is ransomware detection using behavior analysis. Okay, first thing, we just run the file, which is the main Python, and we will get our dashboard. This is the dashboard we will having, and we having 6 buttons over here: scan, reason scan summary, real-time monitor summary, threat statistics, restore quarantine, and simulate. I created this button only for us to testing later. Okay, let's we go through the scan page first. Okay, let's say we scan some files. I just randomly select the files, and here I can, if I don't want to scan this file, I can just remove. I can just remove, or I can just clear the entire list. I can just tap the clear list and it will be gone. All right, that for that functionality. And then we're having, okay, now I can start my scan. Or let me maximize first. I can start my scan, and it will like detect what kind of threat type, what kind of risk level, and it will give me the threat analysis result. Here we can see the result. Okay, now what if risk is like a critical level like this? What we can do here, I bring the function of the quarantine. Basically all the files will be saved in the quarantine folder, which only can be accessed if you put the password. Okay, let me show you first. Here's my quarantine folder. I can't open it. I can only open it only after I put password. Let's say I want to open the quarantine folder. I put 123, which is I put as my password. Now the quarantine is unlocked. So now if I go back there and open the folder, it will be show all the file I have been quarantined. Okay, let's say now I want to like lock the folder. I just tap and will be locked. See, it's locked. And if we go back there, it won't be there. I have to put the password again. Okay, okay. There is a critical file over here. Come we put that in a quarantine folder. We just tap the quarantine button and put the password 123. We tap that, it will be quarantined. So if you go back there, oh, I can show. Okay. I will show in another page. Let's go to the back to dashboard button, and this is where all the file had been quarantined will be saved here. So if I want to like view the latest file, I can just type the timestamp. So this is the file we quarantined earlier. I can do the behavior file name arrangement or file size, smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest, and I can do the thread type from the highest kind of thing to the lowest kind of thing. I can do the risk level. I can do the original part as well. Okay, if I want to like restore back to original, let's say I want to like restore back this to original, and it will be good like back to normal mode. It won't be in the quarantine. It just will go to the default folder, normal quarantine, so they can access normal. Or I can do the restore to I can basically select the directory where I want to restore this time, or I can delete permanently, or I can even preview content to check their hash file, like I mean their bytes. So here can I see the first 512 bytes, or I can even do export as a CSV, and I have an activity log over here which will be telling all the activity I've been doing here. Okay, let's next go to the summary button. Here we will have the all the files we have been scanned. We can even search by the file name. Let's say, okay, let's say I want to search defcon search. All the defcon file name will be appearing here, or I can even do as a risk level of things where I can only, if I only want one critical files, I can just tick the critical file and I will only be shown the critical files. Okay, now let's say I want to view the previous scan summary. I can just go to the select scan session and go to the previous ones. So here I have the previous scan things. So the user can view all the previous scan summary. And let's say they want to like export the session to a CSV. They can just tap that and search as previous scan files Monday. And they can just save over here. We can go back to our database and it will be scanned there. So it will be showing all over here. I'm getting the notification because I'm modifying a lot of files now, so it identifying as a thread. Okay, next we can go to okay, we even can delete the session. Let's say I want to delete the session. I can just delete the session and it will be gone. It will be no more there. Okay. Next, we have the real-time monitor summary. Okay, basically all the real-time monitor summary which is detecting as in the real time, whatever is detected as that will be listed here. So I have the user session here also, so the user can view. I have all the things, and they have the same functionality as the previous summary page. Okay, next we have thread statistics. Here we can see the statistics like threads over time. We have a line graph over here, and then we have a risk level breakdown. We have a pie chart over here, and then we have a top thread tab. We have a chart bar to see what kind of thread we mostly detected. Okay, and then we have the restore. Okay, now I will show how my system works in the real time. So I created a page just for easier showing, so it won't take much time. Let's say I want to simulate. Okay, let's say I want to create a ransom node. I will receive the notification critical threat detected, ransom node created. I will even show the full path, and I will think I implemented the score system. So I used an entropy to use the score system. So every time anything suspicious activity detected, it will be shown to me. I can quarantine the file, or I can open the location or view the summary. Let's say I want to open the location. It will bring me to the location. Let's say I want to quarantine the file. Oh, I'm sorry because I forgot to unlock my quarantine button. Or I can view the summary and it will be updated over here. Okay. Next, we want to create a hidden malicious file. It will be even detected. We already created a hidden file. It will be detected. Then we can encrypt high entropy file. It will be detected as well. Mass encrypted file detected. We can trigger a honeypot file. It will be detected. We can trigger the rapid deletion plus a node. That also will be detected. Then we can create a decoy file. That also will be detected. If we had a mass file rename, that will be detected as well. I'm having a slide. Oh my god, it's not working. I think maybe it's because the cooldown. Okay. If there's a created double extension thread, it will be detected as well. Or mismatch a ransom node detected. Or if I create a suspicious exe file in the downloads, it will be detected as well. So all kind of thing will be detected. Okay, this is just a simulate button just to show uh the notification how it's working if the thread is happening in the our file. Okay, let me show in a manual way. Let me go to the documents or downloads or anything because I've been watching all the folders over here. I've been watching document download videos, everything program files. So no matter what happens the ransomware behavior, we can always detect it. Okay, let's we go to download file and we just put okay, this one. I lock this file. Let me rename as a lock in the end. It will be even detected for us. Okay, let's we hide the file. Let's we go to the properties and we hide this file. Oh, I think there's some logic error over here. I have to fix that. Okay. Anyways, every time the system detects a ransomware, it will give the notification. I purposely lowered score thing so we can detect faster, so it will be easy to show. So I forgot to like change the score for the other things. So it's like it happens, but it give a low score that is not the worth of like giving notification. So I have to like change them in my monitor configuration. So later I have to do that. So that's all for my video demo. Thank you.